So he tries to be this smartass sometimes, and he puts down his employees, like calling them names and stuff. And he acts very knowledgeable about everything he does.
So the way the air grabber's set up is when that door opens up, it's cold air going in at that point. Now, if your timing isn't set just right, and you get that burst of cool air and you're stepping on the gas when that air grabber opens up, it can cause it to what we call sneeze. Kind of a quick backfire when it goes from the primary to the secondary side of the carburetor, and they'll go pop, pop.
But instead of coming off like a cool hard ass like Paul Sr., he comes off more of this aspy neckbeard. And you know, that may work if the other people in the show had some semblance